Hi girls, how are you? Today our lesson will be about people and places. So by the end of the lesson, you will be able to say long numbers, talk about the population and geographical details of the UAE. Let's start. Let me ask you these two questions to know how much do you know about UAE. What facts and figures do you know about the United Arab Emirates? Do you know anything about UAE? Number of population, number of people who live there, Emirati people. What's the area? How many Emirates there? Anything about UAE? Okay, so today we will learn about UAE more. And if you want to describe your country to someone who has never visited UAE, what are you going to say to this person to talk about Emirates, to describe Emirates? So remember these two questions because I will get the answers at the end of the class if you don't know anything for this moment. So let's go ahead. What can you see here in this picture, girls? Exactly. The UAE, 7 Emirates for the UAE. Sharjah, Ajman, Raq, Ras Al Khaimah, Al Qiwin, Fujairah, Abu Dhabi, Dubai. So here I have the 7 Emirates of the UAE. Nice. What about the numbers? What are these numbers refer to? Tell us about what? These numbers. Exactly. These numbers tell us about the population of each emirate. How many people live in each emirate? Like Sharjah, for example. How many people live in Sharjah? 2,374,132. So this number refers to what? Refers to the population. Population. People who live in Sharjah. I need you please to look at these numbers and tell me which emirate has the largest number of population. Yes, exactly. It's Dubai. Dubai, 4,177,059, okay, population, people who live there. Which emirate do you think is the least or has the smallest number of population? Yes, it's Al Qiwain. Well done. It's only 72,000 people live there. Thank you, girls. Well done. So this is one piece of information about the population in the UAE. Now it's time to open your course book, page 171. Exercise number 1. Here, girls, you have 4 sentences. I need you to take some time to read each sentence and try to match the underlying word with its meaning, its definition. Match, try to guess and match the underlying word in each sentence with the meaning here on the other side or definition. You have here peninsula, bordered, landmarks, oasis, Dune. We need now to read the sentences. Why? To match the word with the definition. The United Arab Emirates is a country on the Arabian Peninsula. Arabian Peninsula. So what do you think peninsula is? Number 2, it's bordered by the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and Oman. Bordered by the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and Oman. 3, one of the most famous landmarks is the Burj Khalifa. Burj Khalifa landmark. 4, natural places of interest include the Liwa Oasis and the Murib Dune. Liwa Oasis and Murib Dune. So we need now to think and guess the meaning or the definition of each word. Let's have a look to the other column. A, to be next to another. B, a building that is easily recognized. C, a hill of sand on a beach or in a desert. D, a place in a desert where there is water and plants. E, a long piece of land that sticks out from a longer area. These are the definition. Now it's time to guess and match each underlined word with its definition. Let's check together. Number 1, Arabian Peninsula. What does it mean? What do you think? Yes, exactly. E, a long piece of land that sticks out from the longer area. We call it peninsula. 2, bordered by the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Exactly. To be next to another. So UAE, it's bordered by, who is the neighbor? Saudi Arabia and Oman. 3, one of the most famous landmarks, Burj Khalifa. So what is a Burj Khalifa? Burj Khalifa is a building, yes, that is easily recognized. If I say Burj Khalifa, everyone knows where is it. 4, Liwa Oasis. Liwa Oasis. What's Oasis? Yes, it's a place in the desert where there is water and plants. We call it oasis. What about Dune? Murib Dune. Dune is a hill of sand, small mountain of sand on the beach or in the desert. We call it a hill. So I'll show you some pictures for the new words today. Peninsula, border, landmark, oasis, dune. Let's have a look to the first picture here. What do you think this one is? Yes. So this one, girls, we call it oasis or peninsula. Yes, it's a peninsula. It's a land out of the country, like Arabian Peninsula. What about this one, the second one here? This line divided between Scotland and England. So this is what? This line, we call it border. Border, it means that a line divided or separate two countries, like this one between Scotland and England. What about this one? Do you know where is it and what is it? It's Dubai frame. Yes, it's in Dubai, Emirate. So we call this one landmark, famous building, famous place in Dubai. This one, number 4, is oasis. Well done. You can see it's a place inside the desert. You can find a piece of water there. Not a large amount, it's a small amount of water, some trees. Some people can live there and take care of animals. We call it oasis, like Liwa oasis. Dune, if you see the last picture here, dune. It's a hill, a small hill in the desert. So you can go for climbing this one or making a car racing or bike. You can ride your bike there, motorbike. So these are our new words for today. Now it's time for the activity book, page 143, exercise number 1. Here, girls, I have a map. This map for the United Arab Emirates. We need to look at this map, these places on the map, and complete from the list, from this box. Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Murib Dune, Saudi Arabia, Liwa Oasis, Oman. Number 1 is already done here, which is Saudi Arabia in this place, number 1. You think number 2 is this place, this area for number 2? Yes, girls, it's Oman. So UAE is bordered by Oman. Yes. What about 3? This place, this area. Abu Dhabi. Well done. It's Abu Dhabi. One emirate from the 7 emirates in UAE. Number 4, Dubai. Excellent. It's Dubai. Number 5, Murib Dune. It's in the desert. And number 6, Liwa Oasis. Yes. So these are famous places, not all of them, some of them for UAE. It's a map of the UAE. Let's go on. We need now to go back again to the course book, page 171, exercise number 2. Here, girls, you have some words in the list. Area means a place. Survey, to get information about something or someone. Man-made, it is not natural. People made this thing. Official, okay, it means that formal, everyone use it. Population, number of people who live in a place. We need now to listen. Why? To complete these sentences after listening. What's the first sentence? The language is Arabic. It is the tallest structure in the world. 3. In 2008, the government of the United Arab Emirates carried out a 4. At that time, the total of the country was 6.9 million people. 5. Abu Dhabi makes up over 86% of the total of the United Arab Emirates. So I need you please to listen and complete the sentences. So let's start.
The United Arab Emirates is a It is one of the most at 8 natural places of interest, including skeleton in English, which in 2000 the government so at that time it's made for Sharjah and the Emirates at the time Dubai, Abu Dhabi, 500 Abu Dhabi is Abu Dhabi. Dubai is the smallest.
Okay, everyone, after listening to this piece of information about UAE, we need now to complete the sentences. So let's check together. Number one, the language is Arabic. Means people speak Arabic in UAE. This is the formal language. So we call it what? Official. Well done. Official language is Arabic. If you go to Britain, what's the official language in Britain? Is it Arabic or English? It's English. People speak English there. So this is official language. Yes. Two, it is the tallest structure in the world. What is it? Man-made. Yes, it's man-made, the tallest structure in the world. What is he talking about? Which is the tallest man-made structure in the world? Exactly. It's Burj Khalifa. Number three. In 2008, the government of the United Arab Emirates carried out a survey to know the number of people who live in each emirate. How many people are living in Abu Dhabi, in Ajman, in Al Qiwain, and so on. That's why they made or carried out a survey. 4. At the time, the total of the country was 6.9 million people. So this is the total what? Population. Yes, the number of people. It was 6.8 million people lived there in 2008. This is the number of population, total population. The last one, Abu Dhabi makes up over 86% of the total area
The
of the
United
United
Arab
Arab
Emirates is a
meaning that
country
it's a
on the
very
Arabian
big
Peninsula.
emirate.
It is bordered
Okay,
by the
clear this
Kingdom
one
of
about
Saudi
UAE till
Arabia
now?
and Oman.
Let's get more.
The official language is Arabic, and the official religion is Islam. It is one of the fastest growing countries in the world, with huge reserves of oil and natural gas. One of the most famous landmarks in the United Arab Emirates is the Burj Khalifa in Dubai. At 828 meters, it is the tallest man-made structure in the world. Natural places of interest in the United Arab Emirates include the Liwa Oasis and the Morib Dune, Scary Mountain in English, which is the country's tallest sand dune. In 2008, the government of the United Arab Emirates carried out a survey so they could find out exactly how many people lived in the country. At that time, the total population of the country was 6.9 million people. The United Arab Emirates is made up of 7 emirates: Abu Dhabi, Ajman, Dubai, Fujairah, Ras Al Khaimah, Sharjah, and Al Quwain. In terms of population, the Emirates of Dubai and Abu Dhabi are very close. At the time of the 2008 survey, Dubai had exactly 1,533,596 people. That's around 22% of the whole country's population. Abu Dhabi had a slightly larger population at that time. 1,572,906 people lived there. Abu Dhabi is much larger than Dubai in terms of area. Abu Dhabi makes up over 86% of the total area of the United Arab Emirates. Dubai's area is 5% of the whole country. The smallest emirate in terms of area is Ajman, which makes up less than 1% of the country.
This time you are going to listen to the recording again. And we are going to write the correct numbers. This time you are going to write numbers. So I need you to listen carefully to write numbers. Number 1, the height of Burj Khalifa. How high is it? How many meters? Write the number for meters. 2, the population of Dubai. How many people live in Dubai? Population. 3, the population of Abu Dhabi. I need another number for the people who live in Abu Dhabi. 4, the area of Abu Dhabi as a percentage of the whole country. How big? What's the area? What's the size of Abu Dhabi? 5, the area of Dubai as a percentage of the whole country is percent. 6, the area of Ajman as a percentage of the whole country less than percent. So I need you now to listen to write the numbers about UAE. So let's listen again.
The United Arab Emirates is a country on the Arabian Peninsula. It is the official language is Arabic, and the huge reserves of the at 800 natural places of interest, skeleton in English, which in 2000 so they at that time Dubai, Sharjah, and the at the time Dubai, Abu Dhabi, 5 Abu Dhabi is Abu Dhabi, Dubai, the smallest emirate.
Okay, everyone. So now let's write together and check the answers and the numbers about UAE. How high is Burj Khalifa? Yes, it's 828 meters. The tallest building or man-made structure in the world. 2. The population of Dubai, 1,533,596. This is the population, the people who live in Dubai. The population in Abu Dhabi, exactly 1,572,906. So it means that Dubai has more population than Abu Dhabi. 4. The area of Abu Dhabi as a percentage. What's the size? 86%. Well done. What about Dubai? 5% of the whole country. Yes. What about the area of Ajman? It's less than
The United Arab
1%.
Emirates is a country on the Arabian Peninsula.
Smallest
It is
emirate
bordered
in the
by the
UAE.
Kingdom of Saudi
But Abu
Arabia
Dhabi is
and
the
Oman.
biggest and the largest emirate
The
in
official
the
language is Arabic, and the official religion is Islam. It is one of the fastest growing countries in the world, with huge reserves of oil and natural gas. One of the most famous landmarks in the United Arab Emirates is the Burj Khalifa in Dubai. At 828 meters, It is the tallest man-made structure in the world. Natural places of interest in the United Arab Emirates include the Liwa Oasis and the Morib Dune, Scary Mountain in English, which is the country's tallest sand dune. In 2008, the government of the United Arab Emirates carried out a survey so they could find out exactly how many people lived in the country. At that time, the total population of the country was 6.9 million people. The United Arab Emirates is made up of 7 emirates: Abu Dhabi, Ajman, Dubai, Fujairah, Ras Al Khaimah, Sharjah, and Al Quwain. In terms of population, the Emirates of Dubai and Abu Dhabi are very close. At the time of the 2008 survey, Dubai had exactly 1,533,596 people. That's around 22% of the whole country's population. Abu Dhabi had a slightly larger population at that time. 1,572,906 people lived there. Abu Dhabi is much larger than Dubai in terms of area. Abu Dhabi makes up over 86% of the total area of the United Arab Emirates. Dubai's area is 5% of the whole country. The smallest emirate in terms of area is Ajman, which makes up less than 1% of the country.
It's time now for your homework. I need you girls to answer this question in your activity book, page 143. You're going to write these numbers in words. You have number 1 is already done. 828. So we can write it like that in letters. 828. So I need you to write the whole numbers in letters. So this is your homework for today. Waiting for your homework. Thank you very much. See you later next class. Bye everyone.